Dear friends, one of the greatest problems in the society is a social inequality. A remedy for this is given by Srinarayana Guru. He said, one caste, one religion, one God. Actually, we are believing in not one caste but in different castes. We are believing in not one religion but different religions. We are believing in not one God but many gods. So, for us, or for the majority, there is an inequality based on caste, religion, and God. And this is questioned by Srinarayana Guru by saying that there is only one caste, there is only one religion, and there is only one God for man. And it is the role of man to realize this reality, that is, all of us belong to one category, that is man. All are men. And we are all men, and there is no difference between one man and the other. There is no question of different caste. There is no Brahmin, there is no Kshatriya, there is no Shudra, there is no Vaishya and all that. We all are human beings. So we must be aware that we all are human beings. Each and every one of us must be aware of the fact that we all are human beings. That's the wisdom we must have. That is what Srinarayana Guru said. We must be aware of that. We must be able to follow that. And if all of us are able to follow that, there cannot be any inequality regarding this aspect. So, Guru was able to question the inequality based on caste. And if we know this now, then we can also overcome this inequality by thinking that we all belong to one caste, that is human caste. Our caste is we are all human beings. And the second aspect is about religion. So people believe that they belong to different religions. The meaning of religion is one's opinion or the opinion of man. And actually we belong to only one opinion, that is, we all are living for happiness. Happiness is the motto of life. Everybody wants happiness. From top to bottom, everybody wants happiness. A man of the hut and man of the palace both need happiness. Disregarding any kind of caste, religion, or God, all are one. And when we are all one, what we need is only one religion. That religion is happiness or spiritual happiness. So we all want spiritual happiness. Regarding happiness, and happiness is our religion, and that religion is one for each and everybody. So if we know that, if we are aware of that, there cannot be any inequality based on religion. And the third is our perspective, or perspective of God. So regarding that perspective, we know that there is only one God. There is a stanza in Sanskrit, Akashat padidam toye medagachadi sagaram, sarva deva namaskaram kesavam pradigachadi. That means the water which is falling from the heights or from the sky, Akashat padidam toye medagachadi sagaram, is reaching the ocean. How the water which is falling from heights is falling on the ocean, in the same way. Whatever mantra we speak, all the mantras will go to the one entity, that is Keshavam. That Keshavam stands for the Almighty or the Paramatma. So all mantra is received by only one Paramatma. So one Paramatma is the God. So God is only one. There is no two gods, there is only one God. There aren't many gods, there is only one God. So the perspective of one God is established by Srinarayana Guru, and if we are aware of that, if we know that, that inequality is also questioned, and now we are equal regarding caste, equal regarding religion, equal regarding our worship of God. So if this is possible, then there can be a change in the society, there can be a change among humankind, there can be a change about the whole of mankind. That change is possible through this thinking. So this thinking is primary, is very important. If you can change your thoughts, you can change your world. If we can change our thinking, our attitude, we can change your life. So attitude is the greatest thing we must have. So we must have a great attitude to consider all as equals, all as human beings, and all religion as one, and all God as one. So that must be our perspective of life. So that perspective is spread by Swami Vivekananda, spread by all the great rishis of the past, and also by Sri Narayana Guru. So let us say Namo Vagam to Sri Narayana Guru for this aspect, and I convey my thanks to the Lord and Guru for enabling me to talk to you all this. And please listen to what I am saying, because in the last talk I was talking in English and now talking in Malayalam. Now I'm talking in English because our aim is to speak English better. For speaking English better, you have to listen English better. After listening English, try to speak also. So thank you very much for listening me. Thank you all.